Aitchison, and welcome to Drunk Dog Creative. I have something really special to share with you today. Stampin' Up! Has had a product in some of their other countries that is now available in Australia for the first time, and that is their Paper Pumpkin subscription series. Now, I've waited to announce this until I had my hands on the very first box. The brief rundown of Paper Pumpkin is that every month you get sent a box that has a kit in it for making cards or a project. And you can opt in or opt out anytime. You can prepay 1 month at a time, 3 months at a time, 12 months at a time. All of the details will be on drunkdogcreative.com. The link will be below in the comments or the description for this video. But I thought I would unbox this Paper Pumpkin in front of you so you could get an idea. And then along with the subscription, every 3 months there will be a standalone product that you can order from Stampin' Up! Only if you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber that goes with the Paper Pumpkin kit. And mine should be arriving any day, and I will do another video to show you what it is, but it's a die set that you can use with 3 months worth of kits. You can follow the instructions in the kit, or you can freestyle and use the products in there to make what you want. So let's have a look at what's inside the box. So it comes in a branded box. This is the welcome message that you get for joining, and it explains a few things in several languages. With your very first box, you get an acrylic block for stamping, but only with your very first box. And then what I've got in here, it looks like a little mini ink spot or a Stampin' spot in one of the new in-color colors called Peaceful Pine. There's a stamp set. Thanks, happy birthday, happy Father's Day, older, wiser, better, you are a lifesaver, you are an inspiration, dad, son, and then some things. So this particular box this month is a little bit masculine oriented. So those are the stamps, they're photopolymer stamps. And then you have the rest of the kit. Let me get this out of here. With the instructions, beautifully packaged. I'll move that box out of the way. So here's your instructions, and as you can see, this is a Lakeside Retreat kit, and it makes these 3 cards, or you can go, off instruction and do what you want. So let's open this kit and have a look. All right, so I have some double-sided tape, tear tape. I've got some embellishments that look like little pebbles and some Stampin' Dimensionals, which these are my favorite dot. Oh, I'm losing my mind. These are my favorite type of foam adhesive. They're just so easy to use, and these beautiful little embellishments. Then it looks like there are 3 pieces that are that beautiful blue. There's a bunch of envelopes that look like clouds. These look like these are cards that are printed and ready to fold. Oh, that's really pretty. That is so, isn't that like that just makes me go, oh, it's just peaceful and relaxing. I don't know why, it's just lovely. Then there are a couple of cards that look like they have a wood tone, like that white wood. And then there's a couple that have the stripes. And then there's just a bunch of these little pre-cut, pre-printed bits. So it looks like there's a sheet for each card style. And this is another style. So, you can see these are really great basis for making some really interesting cards. And I'll pile that all back up, and I'll look again for those instructions, which are on the other side, and give you a quick look at that. So full instructions for making 3 types of cards. They are all here, which you can see. I don't know if you can see all of that and more, but you can also take all of these things and put them together any way you want. So these little kits are just a great way to have a project to do when you don't want to think through it all yourself, when you don't want to color match and design yourself, but you want to have some cards on hand for different occasions that you can just quickly grab and send, or quickly grab and write on and give to the person. These kits are fabulous for that, and you learn different techniques as you go. So this is Paper Pumpkin. This month is the Lakeside Retreat. You have until the 11th of each month to subscribe for the first time, or to say no, you don't want that month's box, and then they're sent out after that. I've done a month-by-month subscription, so this is my first. I'm going to do it for a few months and see how we go. I will make some of these up and show them to you on another video when I get a break from work and can actually find some time to do that. But the Paper Pumpkin is a brand new service in Australia, New Zealand, and it's a monthly subscription box with all that you need and all the instructions. So go to drunkdogcreative.com or bridgeta.stampinup.net if you're in Australia and you want to have a look at details. And again, the links will be in the description of the video below. Happy making, everyone. Have a great day.